welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy the snakes on an NFT game token using Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step everything you have to do in order to buy these tokens. But before we get started here, I just want to remind everyone that I do have daily cryptocurrency content on this channel. So if you guys are interested in crypto and you want to learn more about the space, I really recommend subscribing, as I'll have lots of content coming out now and into the future. Anyhow, first things first here, we just want to go down to Trust Wallet and open that up. Once we're in our Trust Wallet here, I'm just going to let you guys know I'm not going to show you how to create your Trust Wallet or how to buy or transfer BNB inside of this video here. If you need to learn how to do that, I'll have separate tutorials linked in the description and in the comment section down below. So just be sure to go ahead and watch those videos first if you need to, and then you guys can come back to this video if you want to purchase this token. Anyhow, another thing I want to point out as well is you cannot have your BNB inside of your BNB wallet here. If you have it inside of your BNB wallet, you just want to click on BNB, click on swap, and then over to swap to smart chain. The BNB does have to be in your smart chain wallet or else it will not show up on Pancake Swap. So that's very important as well. So some people have had the issue in the past and left comments saying that they're showing no balance inside of Pancake Swap. That would be why. So you just want to make sure that you have your BNB inside of your smart chain wallet and you'll be good to go there. So now we just need the contract address for this token, and I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap in the description and comment section down below. So you guys just go ahead and follow that link over to CoinMarketCap, and then I will show you what to do next. And once you're on CoinMarketCap here, we just want to go down to where we see contracts. All the way over to the right, we'll see two little squares. You want to go ahead and click on that to copy the address. Once you've copied the address, we can then head back into Trust Wallet. Then we can head to the top right corner of our screen where we see the two lines and two circles and click on that. Then we can paste in the top search bar here, the contract address we got. We'll then see no assets found, add custom token. So we can go ahead and click on add custom token. Then we just have to change the network from Ethereum over to Smart Chain. Then we can go ahead and paste in the contract address. Once we have that, everything else will load in for us and we can go ahead and save it in the top right corner. Once we have a place for our token to go, we can now head over to the exchange. So I'll have a link over to Pancake Swap in the description as well as in the comment section down below. So you guys can just head over to Pancake Swap and then I'll show you what to do next. And once you're on Pancake Swap here, you just want to go to the top right corner of your screen where you see the Connect Wallet button and click on Connect Wallet. You could then click on Wallet Connect. And that's going to ask us to choose our preferred wallet here. So you can use any one of these wallets if you would like to, but I'm going to be showing you guys with Trust Wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on Trust Wallet. We'll then have to give it a second to pop up a connection screen. So we'll just give it a moment here and it will pop up a connection screen. We will then receive the screen right here that says Pancake Swap wants to connect to your wallet. So you just want to go ahead and click on Connect at the bottom. Once we have that, we can head back over to Pancake Swap. Now, once we're back on our Pancake Swap here, we'll know our wallet's connected when we see our wallet icon in the top right corner, as well as our balance of BNB show right here. Now, mine currently just says loading. For some reason today, it's being a little bit slow, but your balance will show once it comes up. And as you guys see, since I have none right now, it's showing none, but sometimes it does. It is a little slow, so we do have to be aware of that. But you'll see your balance right here, and then we can go ahead and click Select a Currency and paste that same contract address right in here. Once we see the token here pop up, we can click on Import. Then you guys can just read this warning if you would like to as well. And then you can click on I understand if you're okay with that warning, and then click on Import again. Now, once we have both tokens in here, all we have to do now is click on the little settings gear beside Exchange right here to change our slippage tolerance. So we just go ahead and click on it. Then we'll see under swaps and liquidity, there will be an option for slippage tolerance. Now for this token, I do recommend starting off around 12%. It does change based on the liquidity of the token, so just be aware of that. You guys can try lower if you would like to, as well as a little bit higher if that doesn't work. But you could play around with it. Usually a good median is 12%, so I usually just start off with 12%. Anyhow, you can just put in your slippage tolerance right here and then exit out of here. Now all you have to do is decide how much BNB you want to transfer into this token. So let's just say, for example, I wanted to do 1 BNB. I can go ahead and put 1 BNB in, and then it will show me the amount I'll get in exchange for my 1 BNB. Now, if you're okay with what you see here, you can go ahead and click on the swap button where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. Once you guys click on the swap, it's going to show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your fees and things like that. So you guys can just read through that and make sure you understand that before you go through with this again. Once you click on swap there one more time, it's going to pop up an option inside of your Trust Wallet that you have to confirm one more time. It's just going to be like another breakdown showing you that the money's leaving your wallet and things like that. So just be aware of that and then go ahead and click on confirm or swap. Once you do that, you should get a successful transaction notice inside of your Pancake Swap. Once you receive that notice, we can then head back right into our Trust Wallet and your token will arrive here usually within a couple minutes. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to buy this token using Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.